Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I'll be the man behind the camera. In today's video, like you guys saw in the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be fixing my girlfriend's XC70's broken side turn signals. So on the XC70, you guys know that I'll show you and pan around right here. There are some little side markers right here for the turn signal. When we purchased the vehicle, I noticed that this one right here was broken. So the clips in the back, like you guys can see, are missing. There are a clip right here and here, which makes it so that I can't clip this back on. The other side is still perfectly fine, but we are going to change them for some sequential today. So this is going to be the same style of sequential turn signals that I have on the S80 V8, which is actually right back over there. So we have the little bulbs right here, and we're going to be changing them in today's video. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so the first one right here is gonna be super simple. It's already out, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just remove it. So I'll drop you guys down. There's no really clips on these models. You just have a little tab in the back that you have to pull on, which is right about here if you guys could see properly. You just have to pull on that tab up, and then you just pull the whole assembly out from the back. And the new turn signals is the same thing as the S80 V8, so they're the exact same, just a little smaller because this is a different model. So you want to plug this receiver into the factory OEM connectors, and then you could just plug the lights in. Let's do it. All right, so I got the connector out. Like I told you guys, super simple. You just want to go ahead and press on this little tab back here. It's pretty hard to see because there is no light, but there is a little tab at the top right over here in the back side of it. And like you guys see, this is the inside of it. And you want to, what I'm going to do is actually reuse the old grommets, so the old seals, because these are made out of rubber, and the ones that came in the kit are actually like foam, which is not too good with water. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install these. Super simple. I believe this is the right side. Is this the right side? No, that's the other one. And we're gonna go ahead and grab this one, and I'll install it just to make sure that it looks like the old one. Right over here, make sure you install the seal before on the back side of it before you start pinging it in. So let's get to doing that. There's a part I actually forgot to show you guys that I just remembered. So you have to remove the old bulb inside of the septacle right here. So this part right here is not the part where you're going to be plugging in your adapter, which is right here. You're actually plugging the adapter inside of the light socket, so you're not getting any error messages, since it's the same thing reading pretty much the same amount of power through here. So once you plug it inside of this little septacle right here, which was the I believe this is the male connector that goes inside over here, you want to make sure you don't lose this part inside of the fender. So you want to go ahead and plug this right here straight back into it, and then you want to pin everything back together. So I got everything plugged together, guys. Before I actually go ahead and put it back in properly and clip it, I'm gonna grab my keys and unlock the car, make sure that it works properly. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna activate this. We'll see if it turns properly, and there we go, guys. So now we know that it works properly. So what we're gonna do is take the lights back out so we don't burn the battery of the car, and we are going to put it back in and do the other side. So for the other side, guys, it's going to be the exact same thing. Only difference is that the whole assembly is still on. So what you want to do to actually pull it out would be pretty simple. You could do it by hand. I'm going to use a little plier tool. You want to just pull on it and put a little plier tool in the back here. Plastic if you guys have, so you don't scratch the paint, and you just want to pull it out. You don't really mind if you break the clips on these, since we have new clips on the new one. So I actually still have all of my tools that I used. Sorry guys if it's very dark. I still have all of my tools that I used when I did the radio install on my girlfriend's car, so we're gonna go ahead and use these. And then it's the same process. I'm not gonna film for you guys, but it is the same process to getting the new one back on. And then we'll see each other after, once everything's installed. Alrighty guys, so both sides are installed. I actually had to run and go and find the other little what you call it, the foam pad that goes in the back here, because this one didn't have it, which is kind of weird. So it actually fell on the floor, so I had to go running to try and find it. So what we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna go grab my girlfriend, because she doesn't know that I'm doing this on her car. So we'll go and grab her, and we'll show her the final result and show you guys at the same time. Alrighty guys, so showed everything to my girlfriend. She's a little a little camera shy today, guys. She actually likes it. It looks pretty good. What do you think, babe? Is it better than a broken one?
No.
it's not better than a broken one, fine. So what we're gonna do, guys, is show you all the final result. It actually looks pretty good. It's, you know, those little tiny details that doesn't make that much of a difference, but visually, you know, it just makes the car a little bit more appealing. So next up, guys, we have a couple of more mods on the outside of the car that I'm planning. So if you guys like this build, make sure you follow and subscribe to the channel. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the final result.
How could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless? Heartless, heartless, heartless. I mean, after all the things that we've been through, I mean, after all the things we got into. Hey yo, I know some things that you ain't told me. Hey yo, I did some things, but that's the old me. And now you wanna get me back and you gon' show me. So you walk around like...
Alrighty, guys, so it's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. It looks actually pretty cool. Little itty bitty mods like that make the car just look a little bit better. So next up, like I told you guys, we have 2 more exterior mods, and then we're gonna probably do some, I'm not gonna say you guys, but there's gonna be some lighting mods and things like that that we're probably gonna do on the car just to prepare it for the winter, because the back tail lights are actually damaged. So little hint of what the next video is gonna be. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, guys, like usual, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See ya, boys.